Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Julie new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jai, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today. I got a nice release for the ladies out there. Couple fellas might like this shoe too, cause me personally, I like this shoe too. But this is mainly for the ladies, man. You know what I'm saying? We talking about these Nike Dunk Low women's Archeo Pink. Came out yesterday on Foot Locker app. You know what I'm saying? I hit on the raffle. Of course, you know what I'm saying? Your boy hit on the raffle. But I had to drive about an hour and 30 minutes to get this shoe. But it was cool. It was cool. You know what I'm saying? The shoe sold, is gone. So it was worth the drive. You know what I'm saying? Can't complain at all. But I'm bringing a review for y'all in hand so y'all can see, like, okay. Because I looked on here, I seen somebody was talking about the shoe, but no one has it in hand. They had them in hand, but you know what I'm saying? It would be better if someone do a whole video talking about the shoe and all that good stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get this video out before I go ahead and get to the person that bought the shoe. But like I said, we're going to talk about these Nike Dunk Low women's Archeo Pink. If you already did, man, like or subscribe if you're new. I also let people know last week about this shoe. So go ahead on social media platforms down below. In the description, go ahead and follow all those pages down below. Hey, man, without further ado, man, let's get into the video. So if you get in the video, talking about these Nike Dunk Low women's Archeo Pink that came out yesterday on the Foot Locker app. You know what I'm saying? When you hit your raffle. But I haven't seen it on the sneakers app or anything like that at all yet. So we're going to see about that. Because, you know, sometimes Foot Locker gets shoes before sneakers. Sometimes sneakers get shoes before Foot Locker. So you know how that stuff goes. So we're going to see. I'll definitely let y'all know. Keep y'all updated, man. But I don't want to do too much talk. Because, like I said, this shoe is super fire. Also, the shoe comes with sets of white laces. Because they already come with sets of pink on the shoe already. But it comes sets of white laces. So I did one shoe white. Another shoe with the pink laces, so y'all can see the difference. I don't like which one y'all like better. Me personally, I like the white on the dunks for it. They look better. The pink not bad at all, but the white look good. So, without further ado, man, let's go get that shoe out. There they go, man. So usually all Nike Dunks come in this box. All Nike Dunks come in this box. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got your Nike and your swoosh right, the white swoosh. I'm over stuttering. You know what I'm saying? Got that 8.5 in women's. Size 7 in kids. Like I said, they come in women's sizes, and the biggest size in women's will be a size 12, and that goes to a 10.5 in man. I can't fit that. If I could, I'll definitely get these because they definitely look better in person. Not gonna say a lot to y'all. They definitely look better in person. But it says women Nike Dunk Low white Archeo Pink, 8.5 in women's, size 7 in men's. That's basically a size 7 in kids. Retail for $100. And then, to be honest, in the smaller size, they're doing real good, so it's not going too crazy. But like the bigger size, like a size 12, 11, 11.5, them prices down there at like $250, $300. Like, it's going crazy right now. So, and this shoe wasn't even a big GR release as well. So I'm shocked I hit on this size. I had to drive like an hour and 30 minutes to get this shoe. So it was crazy, man. But let's go get that shoe out, man. If you got any questions, anything like that about this shoe, or any tips on how to cop shoes or anything like that, comment down below, man. Let me know. I don't mind answering the questions or DM me. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind doing none of that. So let's get to it. Bang. Here they go. Nike Dunk Low Archeo Pink. I ain't gonna lie, they definitely look better with the white laces for sure. Here go the ones with the pink. Like, I already tied them up and everything ready for y'all for the video. So here goes with the pink. Actually, let me move this box first before I really get talking about this shoe. Move this right here on the side. So here they go. Like I said, I like it with the white laces better, make the pink pop a little bit more. A thing I like about this shoe a lot, of course, I'm more following a little more with the Nike Dunks, the lows. I love them, the Nike Dunk lows, mids, whatever. It's like the colors be the exact colors. Like, this is a exact pink. Like, this is exact pink. And all the ladies out there that love pink, this will be a great shoe for you. So you fellas out there looking at this video, hey, this would be a good little Christmas present for them, you know what I'm saying? So, my fellas, listen, y'all listen to fellas, listen. This shoe right here will be a great Christmas present for them, right? But go ahead and buy them now, because when this drop and more videos come out, the price is gonna go up. So fellas, listen, I'm trying to tell y'all, listen, fellas, make sure you buy this shoe for your girl or your whoever. I'm trying to tell y'all, listen, buy it right now. So they ain't gonna know, you know what I'm saying? But go ahead and buy it now. So because the price gonna go up. Had to let y'all know. But back to the shoe. Had to let my fellas know out there, you know what I'm saying, for sure. But like I said,
Nike Dunk Low Women's Archeo Pink. These things fire, man. I'll definitely grab them, but I can't fit size 12 in women's. But it's all good, man. We'll talk about the shoe, man. So on the outsole, you got your pink outsole. You got your Nike right here in the middle of the outsole. On the upper, you got your white toe box. No crazy leather, you know what I'm saying? Standardized, you know what I'm saying? Nike Dunk Low leather. Of course, on your midsole, you got your white midsole. And on the side panel, you got your pink Nike check. Also, the whole upper is leather. It's not suede or anything like that. Like I said, come with sets of white laces. Also, got your pink laces on the shoe already. And on the tongue, you got your stitched in Nike tab up there. That's pink, it's not red, in case y'all wondering. Also, on the inside of the shoe, you got your white Nike swoosh logo inside the shoe. And on the back of the heel, of course, you got your stitched in white Nike on the back of the heel. Like I said, the whole upper is leather. It's not no suede or anything like that. But this shoe is fire in my personal opinion. Comment down below, man. Let me know y'all like the white laces or y'all like the pink laces better. Let your boy know down below. These things are super fire, super clean. Like I said, fellas, looking to get this shoe for your girl, something like that, go ahead and get the shoe right now. Price will go up for sure. Trust me and believe me, it definitely will go up for sure. Because after this video get posted, more videos kind of coming out. Because this wasn't a GR release. This was very hard to shoot. I'm shocked I won this shoe, to be honest with you. Especially in the size 7 in women. That's a popular size. That's what's crazy. So like, shocked I won that size, to be honest with y'all. But like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know. Like the white laces better, or y'all like the pink joints better, you know what I'm saying? So these things is clean for sure. In my personal opinion, go a half size up in case y'all don't know how, you know what I'm saying, Nike Dunks run. Always go a half size up in Nike Dunk lows, highs, mids, anything, because they tend to run super small like some Jordan 1s. And then of course when you break them in, they be cool. But you know what I'm saying, Nike Dunk leather, it's not the best leather, but you know, people be like, I don't want to crease my shoes, but these you gonna crease out of the first time you wear them. It just depends if you walk on your toes or not, you know what I'm saying? You be careful, but they shoes, man, at the end of the day, they just gym shoes. But the leather quality ain't up to par, ain't the highest quality in shoes, but like I said, they go with everything. Also, I like Nike Dunk lows. I'll be honest with you, I'm starting to fall a little more and more Nike Dunk lows, to be honest with you. I'm starting to get more Nike Dunk lows than any like shoe ever, like more red. I don't even get retros as much like I usually do. I've been trying to get out of that lane a little bit, trying to switch it up. I'm trying to get a little more into the Puma game, you know what I'm saying, Adidas, all that good stuff. I'm trying to bring more stuff to the channel for y'all. Also bring stuff like this to the channel for y'all to see, like, rather than seeing Jordans all the time. I'm just trying to bring like Nike Dunk lows, you know what I'm saying. Of course, you're gonna bring some Yeezys in there, you know what I'm saying, Pumas, Adidas. I want to bring different stuff to the channel for y'all, man. So also comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all got any ideas or anything, videos y'all looking forward to do. I'm also gonna do a video on how to tie Nike Dunk lows like this, because I got a question on, like, not a question, I should say somebody told me to do a video on like how to tie Nike Dunk lows or highs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post either today or tomorrow. I'm gonna post on how to tie Nike Dunk lows in the mids, because I got both of them. So be on the lookout for both of those videos. I'm sure I'll post one today, another one tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Space out a little bit more. Also, I'm gonna have a video on how to cop the Yeezy. I don't know the name of them, but I'm gonna have a video for that as well. So be on the lookout for that as well, man. But like I said, you got any questions or concerns on how to cop any shoes or anything like that, shoot me a DM on Instagram. Follow me on my platforms down below. On Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all that stuff down below, man. That's it for this video, man. Like to subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Much love, support from every single one of y'all. I definitely appreciate it, man. Greatness comes with patience. They put your mind to, you definitely can do it. You just gotta believe in yourself. I believe you gotta believe in yourself that you can do it, man. Like I said, boy, catch y'all another video. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all one is out. Peace.